Hello, my name is Manizira Anak Perempuan Keleni Anan. Metric number S63292 will present to you about rain gauge. For introduction, the amount of rain that falls over a specified region in a given amount of time can be measured using a rain gauge, a meteorological instrument. The height of the collected precipitated water in the container during a given period of time determines the amount of precipitation, which is expressed in millimeters. There are a few additional names for this apparatus, including odometer, pluviometer, and ombrometer. A weather station can be used to take manual or automated readings from a rain gauge, and the frequency of observations can be changed to suit the requirements of the collecting unit. There are three objectives of rain gauge. First, to calculate the monthly rainfall in residential areas. Second, to understand the relationship between rainfall distribution and day. And finally, to determine the link between cumulative rainfall distribution and day. Materials that have been used for rain gauge is empty plastic bottle, paper clips, sellotape, ruler, cutter knife, and jelly. Next is the procedure to make a rain gauge. For the first step, about 2/3 of the way up at the white section just below where it starts to go thin, cut around the tip of the plastic bottle with a cutter knife. For the second step, the bottle needs to have a flat bottom, which can be achieved by adding a few centimeters of jelly to the bottle. A flat bottom is used to measure the precision of the rainfall. For the third step, placing the top portion of the bottle inside the bottom portion after turning it upside down. To fix it, use a paper clip to stop water from dripping between the bottle's bottom and top. For the fourth step, use the sellotape to secure the roller deck, particularly during rain, by placing it to the side of the bottle. Next, to place the rain gauge, find a space that is open. Ensure that any barriers such as trees, building sites, and other objects are far from the rain gauge. Next, every morning at 7:30 a.m., check the rain gauge to see how much rain has fallen. Then, using the ruler, calculate how much rain has fallen. The reports convert centimeters to millimeters. Step 8. Empty the bottle after obtaining the reading of rain gauge. And finally, take note of the annual rainfalls totals in the table of rainfalls. This is the results after 30 days. First, we have the graph of rainfall versus day, and second, we have the graph of cumulative rainfall distribution versus day.